As he laid out and got in the way. Flyers trying to change. Devils trying to take advantage. Hall the pass, the shot, and they score. John Moore wins it for New Jersey. Mason unable to find a way to beat the Devils again, but it wasn't his fault by any stretch. 1-0 your final. The Devils win it.
Both Claude Giroux and Shane Gostisbehere skated by both refs and say, what did you guys not see? And away went the Devs the other way. 2 chances on a 2-on-1. Shane Gostisbehere was gassed. He was at the end. And a nice play. That's a great setup pass by Taylor Hall. And too much ground for Steve Mason to cover to get over there. The perfect play, the impossible one to stop. And the Devils win it in overtime. 1-0.